Now Foods, Graviola, Double Strength, 1000 milligrams, 90 tablets. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description: Double Strength Healthy Cell Function Free Radical Scavenger Dietary Supplement Vegetarian, Vegan Non-GMO Botanicals, Herbs Family Owned since 1968 GMP Quality Assured. Graviola tree, Annona moricata, also known as soursop, is found in tropical areas of the world. Its leaves have a long history of use by traditional herbalists. More recent scientific studies suggest that acetogenins, the active constituents of Graviola, can support healthy cell growth and function. Other active compounds found in Graviola leaves have free radical scavenging properties. Suggested use: take 1 tablet daily. Other ingredients: cellulose, cross-carbonose, sodium, stearic acid, vegetable source, silica and vegetarian coating. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. This double-strength product has twice the Graviola, 1000 mg per tablet, than our regular strength product, 500 mg per capsule. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Warnings: for adults only. Do not take this product if you have any neurodegenerative disorders or Parkinson's disease, or are taking any antihypertensive or MAO inhibitor medications. Not recommended for pregnant, nursing women. Consult physician if taking medication or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not heat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.